Hello everyone, welcome back to Techunbox Pro. Today in this video, we are going to talk about the Samsung Galaxy A57 Pro 5G, one of the most talked about smartphones in Samsung's A series lineup. If you are planning to buy a new Samsung 5G phone, then watch this video till the end. Let's start with the design and build quality. The Samsung Galaxy A57 Pro 5G comes with a very clean and premium design. The phone looks stylish in hand and follows Samsung's modern design language. The back panel feels solid, and the camera module blends nicely with the body, giving it a flagship-like appearance. Overall, the phone feels comfortable to hold and use for long hours. Now let's talk about the display. Samsung is known for its displays, and the Galaxy A57 Pro 5G does not disappoint. It features a large, bright display with vibrant colors and good viewing angles. Whether you are watching YouTube videos, scrolling social media, or playing games, the screen experience feels smooth and enjoyable. The high refresh rate makes scrolling faster and more fluid. Coming to performance, the Galaxy A57 Pro 5G delivers reliable everyday performance. Daily tasks like calling, messaging, browsing, and multitasking work smoothly. You can also play popular games with stable performance. For normal users and casual gamers, this phone handles everything without major issues. Next is the camera performance. The Samsung Galaxy A57 Pro 5G comes with a versatile camera setup. In daylight, photos look sharp with good color balance and detail. Portrait shots have decent background blur, and selfies also come out clear. Video recording is stable, making it a good choice for content creators and social media users. Let's talk about battery life. The phone offers a strong battery backup that easily lasts a full day with normal usage. Whether you are watching videos, using social media, or attending online classes, the battery performs well. Fast charging support helps you quickly power up your phone when needed. Now about software and features. Samsung Galaxy A57 Pro 5G runs on the latest Android version with Samsung's One UI. The interface is clean, user-friendly, and packed with useful features like privacy controls, customization options, and smooth animations. Finally, let's discuss who should buy this phone. If you want a stylish Samsung 5G phone with a good display, reliable performance, solid cameras, and strong battery life, then the Samsung Galaxy A57 Pro 5G is a very good option in the mid-range category. So this was our full review of the Samsung Galaxy A57 Pro 5G. If you liked this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Techunbox Pro. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.